Yo, yo, what's poppin'? Just doing a little trade breakdown for you. A little late today on the trade breakdown, but I'll just break it down anyway. So for me, everything starts on the weekly. Now, weekly order flow, as we see, is bullish. We're not in a reversal phase, so I'm still anticipating bullishness on the weekly. Daily could dictate things in a different way, but right now on the weekly, still anticipating bullishness. Daily order flow is bullish, and we put in a reversal phase on the 7th and then the 8th. So we had the SMT up here, um, right here, and we haven't caught up yet. So I was anticipating daily reversal if the 4 hour adhered, but we actually did an opposing SMT, so pushing price back in line with daily order flow. So this is what do you say? Good news, I guess. I don't know, but basically anticipating higher prices on the daily because we had that counter SMT. We did not break order flow on majority. So I want to see 4 hour price be in line with that. 4 hour order flow is bearish up here with this line, but we have had SMT right here with this Monday 10 a.m. low. We took an SMT here 2 a.m. this morning. And as we see, we're not below it over here. So this is a reversal phase that I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the 1 hour time frame to be in line with that. We did close a swing point. So again, still anticipating 1 hour to be pushing price higher, eventually reaching this high is the target. 1 hour order flow is bullish this morning, as we see here at 11 o'clock last night. We see that surge higher, um, and we have this range. So for me, order flow is bullish. 7 a.m., we close a C3C, and we have a C3 here, and we have a pretty like weak candle here. So, but on majority, we have a swing point. So I am anticipating higher prices on the hourly, supporting our 4 hour reversal, supporting our daily back in line with order flow. Now, 8 o'clock, we run liquidity on one. So since we run liquidity on one and we don't have a 1 hour C2C, I'm actually looking for 15-minute time frame to be pushing phase of price to see ES catch up to this 1 hour high. And I was anticipating this 1 hour high up here and for the YM to catch up to these two highs. So I was dropping on the 15-minute candle in this 9 a.m. candle to look for a C2C in phase of price supporting higher prices to see this catch up. So 15-minute opens in this hourly candle. We haven't formed a C2C, so looking for this 9:30 a.m. driver to be running previous candles low and pushing higher. So I'm looking for a 15-minute C2C creation on driver. The reason why I'm anticipating driver to move higher is because of majority of our higher time frame, that's 4 hour daily weekly. Our weekly and daily order flow is bullish. So I am anticipating price to be pushing in that direction on driver with 4 hour phase of price being aligned in that. All I'm looking for is 1 hour. Once 1 hour is aligned, I'm either looking for a 1 hour candle, expansion candle in direction of our higher time frame phase of price and order flow, or if we don't have a range, I'm looking for that 15-minute. So because we didn't have a range, I'm looking for that 15 minutes. So in this 9:30 a.m. candle, I'm looking for change in state of delivery so I can execute and look for expansion. Hold up, hold up. Okay, sick. Okay, sick. So in this 9:30 a.m. candle, I'm looking for a change in state and delivery. So 9:30 a.m. opens right here on this candle. We see that surge lower. Now I'm looking for that change in state and delivery. We have changed the state delivery on NQ. I didn't execute this. I do believe I could have and put my stop loss below this breaker block about 50 ticks and then looked for continuation. But instead, I looked for ES. Once ES changed state and delivery, I just looked for a retest into this breaker. I just thought it was cleaner. It was, closer, better stop loss placement, all that kind of thing. Um, so I'll show you. So I executed in this candle. I took my first take profit up at this blue line. Now I was anticipating this black line to be reached up here. So I moved my stop loss to break even. It never reached that black line. I did get stopped at break even. Maybe that's where trading NQ would have been like the leader would have been a better one and then put my stop loss in the correct place. But regardless, this was my trade. I took the buy. I took my first take profit where I was anticipating, and then I was looking for a second take profit where I was anticipating. Did not occur. Eventually, we do reach after the surge lower, but c'est la vie, part of the game. Yeah, hopefully it's insightful and peace.